this Instagram page gained 689k followers just uploading 61 posts, and all the posts are generated by AI. As you can see, they are AI avatars, and you can see that these reels are getting pumped up. As you can see, 4 million views on this reel and 17.3 million on this reel. So in this video, we're gonna create the same reels like this using free resources. Yes, you absolutely hear it right. We're going to use a free resources and create same reels like that. So if you wanna grow your Instagram page like this using AI avatar, using AI reels, and then you have to watch this video. To create that, we're going to need first AI avatar like this. So for that, we're going to use Leonardo AI, which is a free alternative of Midjourney. So we're going to use this. After going Leonardo AI, just go to launch app, click here and click yes, I am waitlisted, and just then as you can see, I am on the home page of Leonardo AI. And after that, go to the left screen and click on AI image generation. Go to Google, search the person you want to create avatar. So I'm going to pick Elon Musk and just go to image and just select this type of image of that person you select. It could be Andrew Tate, it could be Steve Jobs, and other famous person or other motivational speakers as well. So just pick a portrait image of that person. Okay, so I'm going to click here and save this on my drive, and then go to Leonardo AI again and just left side of the screen scroll down, and as you can see, here is option that you can upload a image that you want to create a 3D or avatar or face image. So we're going to upload that Elon Musk image, as you can see. And to make this kind of aspect ratio, we're going to select the aspect ratio from here. As you can see, the aspect ratio is 9:16. So let's select 9:16 aspect ratio and then scroll up, and as you can see, the prompt is Elon Musk portrait face image high quality 3D. And then just came up little bit, and here is the add negative prompt. So you have to add negative prompt as well. The negative prompt is bad shaped body, two faces, bad shaped face, or buzzy face. So then just click on generate. Pick the first one. I like the first one and also the fourth one. So let's pick the first one. So just click on download here. Now our first step is done. Our second step, this avatar speaking, right? So we're going to use a free tool called HeyGen. So if you create an account, you will get 1 minute free credit and you can just use that. So go to just here, and after sign up, go to here and just go to upload and upload the 3D avatar of that you previously generated. And as you can see, then go to just plus icon and portrait, and as you can see, here's the script. So we're going to write down the script. So I have already shared a script from ChatGPT. So if you don't know how to use ChatGPT for Instagram Reels, then comment below, I will show in the next video. So here's my script, and I'm going to just go there and I will paste the script here. And after that, I need to make that short that is way long. So to make it short, we're going to click it on here, and as you can see, shorter. So we're going to make the script shorter using inbuilt ChatGPT features on HeyGen. So click on apply, and after that, go to right section, and we're going to pick a voice. So
hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
This is a free sound, so we're going to use this sound. And speed, I will increase the speed to 1.2x or 3x, and I'm going to decrease the pitch as it could voice heard. to modify it. Let's listen it.
For habits for CEO success. Learn constantly. Stay updated on industry trends. Tech
Okay, I
advancement.
like this one. Then our second part is done, and it's time to export this video. So to export that video, we're going to go to submit, click on submit, and here's the submit button. Just click on it and it will take a few seconds to generate a video. So let's see the sample. So our video is just ready and it's rendered. Now it's time to download this video. But at first, let's see
For
that.
habits for CEO success. Learn constantly. Stay updated
And as
on
you can
industry
see,
trends,
it's perfect.
tech
It's
advancements,
literally
and leadership
perfect.
strategies.
And
Master
it's way
time
better than
management, prioritize
that
tasks,
Reels.
delegate, and
So
set clear.
now it's time to download it. To download it, just go to download original video and click on here, and on the left side, my video just downloaded.